Okay, so I'm going to show you a method of prime factorization that deals with something called the tree. I call it the tree method, or you can call it the root method, or I mean, you can call it whatever you really want. And I'm going to use the example of 3,300 as the number we're going to prime factor and try to solve. So you may have seen other methods. This might be the first one you've seen, but you can take a look and see how do you solve this, and then you can find other ways to do it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our number and we want to try to break it down into prime numbers, okay, and break this one down into factors which happen to be prime. Now, you can start wherever you want, but I'm going to look at two numbers which multiply to 3,300. What are a pair of factors of 3,300? And the ones that I'm going to use, again, there's many options you could, but I'm going to use the numbers 33 and 100. So 33 times 100 gives us 3,300. Now, are these numbers prime? No, they're not. We can break down each one of them into something smaller. So let's start with 33. 33 we can break down into 3 and 11. So 3 times 11 gives us 33. So we're breaking that down, and we want to keep doing this. We want to try breaking it down as much as we can to smaller and smaller chunks. Now, can we break up the 3 farther? Nope, it's prime. How about the 11? Nope, it's prime too. So that's actually where we're going to cap it. Now let's look at the 100. Can we break that one down farther? Yeah, that one we can. And I'm going to break it down into 10 and 10. So now 3,300 is technically 3 times 11 times 10 times 10. Now, is 10 a prime number? No, we can break it down farther. So the first 10, I'm going to break down into 2 and 5. Okay. The second 10, I'm going to break down into 2 and 5 as well, because that's kind of our factors that we have. So we have 2 times 5 times 2 times 5. Now, are they both prime? Yeah, those are all prime. So if we look at all these numbers, we have 3, 11, 2, 5, 2, and 5, which happen to be our prime factors of 3,300. And so we can write 3,300 as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 11. Our prime factors happen to be 2, 3, 5, and 11, and we can write that out as a product of powers, and it looks like this, where we have 2 squared and 5 squared. I hope this helps you when you look at prime factorization. This is one method. There are a few others. Gladly look around at other methods. Hope that works for you.